The next boar we have coming out here, we call him Eye Candy. Hampshire boar, page 6. And we're going to throw a pretty impressive Hampshire lineup. We've already saw two incredibly impressive hams, and we got a few more. And I genuinely do not want this boar to get overlooked. We went to the World Pork Expo, and, on the way out there, I kind of asked Dad, what are you looking for? Hamp was about the bottom of the list of boars that we were looking for. And this guy came from the Kilmer Swine Farm, and Jim Kilmer was walking this guy to the wash rack, and I believe Dad, me, and Kyle were all standing next to each other, and kind of like, oh, hey, what's this boar, Jim? And anyways, we were kind of intrigued from that moment, and his littermate brother was 5th overall, Hampshire Barrow there, and I mean, we saw this guy hit the ring and kind of fell to our list a must-have. We felt in order to keep our Hampshire lineup as stout and as prominent as we needed it to be, and then when we study his pedigree, he's out of All Eyes, and All Eyes was the $90,000 Hampshire boar that Korb sold last year at the World Pork Expo out of Outlaw, back on a back home sow. And I tell you what, this guy, we call him Eye Candy for a reason. I know he has a little bit of water shaking his ear, but when he cranks that head up, his top line comes together. He is one cool cat. And for a Hampshire that just has this natural body mass, that thickness through the lower 1/3 of their body and their flank, I mean, come on, guys, that is difficult to get in any Hampshire female or any Hampshire, let alone a boar that's aggressive and jumping and in his working clothes. And so we really feel that this guy is at the top of the line in terms of Hampshire boars that we have. And in my mind, we already saw the game. You're going to see later on today, Here I Am. I think this boar is the combo of both of them. And I could be wrong, but I truly think he intersects the middle of that. And we're pretty impressed. We call him All Eyes, and he is, or excuse me, Eye Candy, and he is on page 6.
Lindsay, I want to add one more thing. I'm going to go back to this thing about lots of Hampshire gilts being sold, few Hampshire gilts being shown in numbers. One of the reasons why is they don't grow, or they get so, when they start up to about